Hello people, welcome back again, and today I'll be teaching you how to make lightening body butter. So watch the video to the end. And this body butter is so moisturizing, so hydrating. It is not heavy, it is not greasy, it is not oily, and it's going to lighten your skin naturally. It's so easy to make, it doesn't consume much ingredient. So this is me weighing out all my lightening active. I'm going to be putting up the names of the lightening actives I use on the screen. So I'm weighing out all my lightening active, or you call it your lightening powders. So here I am weighing out my lightening or brightening actives, which you can equally call your lightening powders. I'll be dropping contact to where you can get all these ingredients in case you want to make this butter yourself. You need a scale, please. Scale is very important because you need to weigh out all your skincare ingredients using your scale. So I'm adding in my cocoa butter into my lightening powders because I'm formulating brightening body butter. I'll call it lightening body butter, and this body butter will be used for the face and it will be used for the body, and that is why I'm using cocoa butter, which has 0 rates comedogenic level, or let me say it is a 0% comedogenic rate powder. Butter. So this can be applied on the face and on the body. Very good for face and body. So I transferred my butters and my lightening powders in here, and I added in my wax. Okay, I added in waxes. I am making 1,000 grams of lightening butter for a client, and so I decided to transfer everything into my stock pot. This is my stock pot that I use to make skincare products. So you guys should just watch the video to the end. This body butter is so good. It can be used on the face and the body. So just watch the video to the end. I'm going to be dropping all these ingredients on the screen in case you want to formulate, you want to make yours. I'm showing you guys how to make this product for free. You can see this is actually my client's order, and I'm showing you guys the process, and I'm dropping the recipe. So yeah, watch the video, like the video, and share the video. So I'm trying to melt or dissolve my butters with my lightening actives. Everything is in here, trying to dissolve everything right now, and I'm doing that on the lowest heat. You need the lowest heat to actually dissolve your butters and your waxes. After my waxes and my butters have melted, you can see how melted it is here. I had to transfer into a stainless bowl because I still have other ingredients to add into this melted or dissolved butters and waxes, and I had to let it sit down to cool off. And coming back to check after like 1 hour, yeah, it is already thickening, and I left this for almost 24 hours, and yeah, it is. You can see the way it is looking creamy, and I said almost 24 hours. Approximately I left this for like 18 hours, and I would have leave it up to 24 hours, but I needed to actually deliver this product the next day, so I came back after like 18 hours, and yeah, it is. And yes, we went to the next step, and the next step is for me to whip. And you have to whip, and while whipping you have to whip carefully. And another thing I'll tell you, whenever you're whipping your butter, do not over whip. And when it becomes creamy, you stop whipping, because when you over whip, your cream doubles in size. Right here I added in vitamin E, which is called tocopherol, and I had to scoop out everything because trust me, vitamin E is very, very precious. Yeah, so next I had to add in the next ingredient, which is my AHA oil, which is called alpha hydroxy acid oil. So I'm gonna be dropping the contact where you can get all the skincare ingredients so that you can make yours. And yes, I had to read all over to incorporate all the active, like the ingredient I added in right now. And this is me trying to scoop or mix very well using my spatula, because you have to incorporate very well. And here is me adding in essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Here I use lavender essential oil because I actually want this cream to be calm and soothing on the skin. Trust me, you can use this cream on your face and on your body. And this is actually a butter cream. Yeah, it is a butter cream. So I am actually doing viscosity testing here, testing, and yeah, the viscosity, the texture is superb. Trust me, this is gonna thicken up more than the way you're seeing it right here. And yes, I love the viscosity, I love the texture. And then this is me trying to see how this is on the skin, and trust me, it enters the skin easily. It is hydrating, it is moisturizing, it is not heavy on the skin. That means it is suitable for the face and body. Trust me, I use cocoa butter, and cocoa butter is very good for the face. It is not a heavy butter. So this is my skin here, popping, skinning and shining, glowing, natural skin, natural fairness. And that is what this body butter is going to give you. It's going to brighten and lighten your skin with time, uniformly from your face to your toes, without any dark patches or dark areas, you know. So use this body butter morning and night, and please make sure you're always wearing your sunscreen day, and make sure you exfoliate your skin, that is scrub your skin 3 times or 2 times in a week, depending on your skin type. So trust me, you're gonna love this butter. Please like and share this video. And this is behind the scene. While I was making this video, my baby girl was crying and I had to make this video for you guys. So please like and share this video, share the video to skincare formulators, to people that like making their skincare product themselves. And you can equally make this skincare product yourself. And that is my camera shaking. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.